Hello guys, today in this video I am going to talk about the if and if-else conditions in programming languages. I use C computer language for this. Okay, let's first see what the conditions do. By using conditions in programming, we primarily intend to test whether the data entered by the user for the program is valid for certain conditions mentioned earlier. After checking the if condition, the part that should be executed correctly and the part that should be executed incorrectly are written separately when coded by the program. The part that contains the relevant criteria for the condition is called the statement. Okay, now first let's see what happens in if condition and how it works. The part of the if statement is executed only if the condition is returned true. If the condition is returned false, the part of the if statement is skipped. Let us now look at the flow diagram of the if statement. This flow diagram helps us to easily understand how the if statement works. If the result is true after checking in the if statement, the part of the code in the if statement will be executed. Suppose if the result of the if statement is false, the part of the code in the statement will not be executed and the program will continue to run along the path corresponding to that result. Let us now understand this further with a simple practical example. Two variables have been declared, namely I and j, for which no values are currently assigned. If the if value is greater than the I value, then the part inside it is displayed. Otherwise, the program is executed by passing it. First let's assign 50 for I and 100 for j. The variable I is less than j is displayed because 100 is greater than 50. Now let's set 100 for I and 50 for j. Now this does not agree with the condition, so the part in it is skipped and executed. Okay, I think you have a clear idea about the use of the if statement used in programming. If so, I invite you to like and comment on this until we meet again in the next video soon. Also, if you haven't subscribed to Mr.GooD's YouTube channel yet, subscribe to it soon. Thank you.